Hey traders, many of you have asked me over the years or sent me an email can you tell me a little bit about how you set up your Trader Workstation? I noticed that you have multiple monitors. What trading software do you use? Which broker do you use? What computer do you use in terms of trading? So what I'd like to do today is share with you my Trader Workstation and what I do on a day-to-day basis in terms of trading. So many of you have asked me, what type of desktop computer should I get for my Trader Workstation? You can see here the desktop computer that I got here is it's a gaming computer. It has a video card that actually allows you to be able to have up to 8 monitors. Now in this case here I have 4 monitors, so make sure you have a desktop computer with a video card that supports dual monitors. And the operating system that I use here is Windows 7, but you can use old versions has Windows XP. Just make sure your trading software supports that. You'll see here that I actually have a backup power generator, and especially when you're day trading, every second does count. So in case if the power does go out, I do have a power generator that alerts me and gives me a few minutes of time to exit a position. So here you can see my monitor setup. These are Dell LCD monitors. I got some 23 and 24-inch monitors here. And the reason why I like these Dell LCD monitors is actually allows you to be able to have these monitors on vertical, and allows you to be able to see the charts a lot better. You can see here, right? So you can see I have a whole bunch of charts here, and essentially when I'm trading throughout the day is I'm monitoring all these positions here. So I'll just start off with here. Here's basically my main screen. I'm focusing on trading one particular stock here. I see all my orders here going through, all the trades. Here is kind of the 4 charts that I'm focusing on, so 4 stocks that I'm monitoring very, very closely. And then you'll see here where these are about 9 other charts that, again, I am also monitoring throughout the day. You'll see here again another 2 charts here that I monitor, and I also have a Twitter feed. So if I'm trading a specific company, again, I want to see what people are talking about that particular stock. So you can see here, this is my Trader Workstation. Now, does that mean that you go out there and get the best desktop computer out there? No. Just find a computer that's reliable and within your budget, or you can also get a laptop, especially if you're traveling. Also, in terms of you really need to get these 23, 24-inch LCD monitors, then you need to get 4 of them, or do you need to get 8 of them? No. Just start off with 1, and as you're trading more successfully, get 2, get 3, get 4, and just get to a point where you are comfortable in terms of monitoring all these opportunities on a day-to-day basis. So next week we're going to talk about a trading instrument called ETFs. A lot of people have heard of it. They stand for Exchange Traded Funds. It's something that is a big component as part of my portfolio, and I'll share that with you in the next video. So make sure, again, subscribe to our videos, like us on Facebook and Twitter. See you guys here next time.